Okay, so welcome to the redesign of the EOMA68 housing PCB2. PCB2 contains an STM32F 64 pin. It controls, does direct keyboard monitoring, which Albert very kindly did the... Hello, yes, we have a new friend that likes mouse. Albert very kindly did the French keyboard firmware for this. Now we've got two connectors here which are from Moorcraft. This is the one that goes to PCB1, that one's the one that goes to PCB3, that's a 10 pin, that's an 8 pin. Now the 50 pin connector for the Frida LCD with capacitive touch panel is here. It is okay, so that's the SPI, that's a cat's tail, and this is an HX8357D based one, so this is IM 1, 2 and 0, setting it to SPI mode. There is also the capacitive touch panel on here, on this connector as well. Right, now the previous one for the company that didn't actually bother to give any technical information about what it was they were doing at all. It was two connectors, so there was one for the display and one for the capacitive touch panel. This is much better and it's on a single connector here. So I had this PCB previously as a dog leg like this, which caused problems with the casework, but thing. So anyway, it's all single-sided components. Here's the inductor, which is enormous. That's 6 millimeters on a side. That which is a thing, but that's just to get the boost the voltage up to 20 volts. It's current controlled, not voltage controlled. LEDs are based on current, and there's a string of 5 or 6 LEDs in a row on this thing. So anyway, so this is 110 millimeters long now, whereas previously it was only about that much. Now let's go and have a look over here, and you can see this is OpenSCAD, Python OpenSCAD. I've added in, you can see the biggest of the components, just to make absolutely sure that it's going to be okay. Alright, right. So the capacitive touch panel I'll have to redo this. This is the touch panel holder. I have to redo this, but I basically want to make sure that it was dead in the middle. That connector is dead in the middle. Judging by eye, I got that right. That looks awesome. So I'm very happy with sort of finger in the air sort of things there. Here you can see where I previously had the space for the dog leg to go out. So actually now we can drop this PCB down, which is fantastic because there's nothing in the way. You can see the STM32F is going to be placed there, the keyboard controller connector there, and the two connectors just underneath here. Now dropping this down, the two connectors will go in there. One will come over to PCB1 over here, I think it is, and the other one will have to just wiggle across here and come into PCB3. Oh, there's a little gap. Don't eat the mouse cable. No eating mouse cable. No, stop it. Stop it. Thank you, my darling. I need that. I think. Thank you very much to Lady Ada for providing all these diagrams, by the way. This has been extremely useful. I think there being no copyright on functional schematics, I've been able to copy this, but I just want to make sure that I say thank you to her for providing these things. This is the Adafruit HX8357D, a similar product. It's got a resistive touch panel instead of a capacitive one, and also has a card, a micro SD card on it, a slot as well on it. So yeah, but incredibly helpful to have this as a reference to be able to check against the Frida datasheet. Nope, that's the datasheet for that boost, the step up converter. here. Can't find it. Anyway, it's complicated and it's very involved, and I'm getting hit. Cat seems to like me despite not liking anybody else in the house. Alright, so yeah, jammy git, once again, got that right. I haven't got space in this house to set up the 3D printer. We're guests of somebody else, so it's not appropriate to go setting up 3D printers in their house. Yeah, so thank you very much.